Alright, today's discussion is going to be on how to set up PostgreSQL, which I have currently just SQL Express, and I'm fed up with refreshing everything all the time, deleting databases. It doesn't really have a good way of handling repetitive tasks. And as a trader and data scientist, you, you want to kind of automate all of the little tasks as you kind of figure out better ways to do things. So by all means, start out rough and ready with some of this stuff. SQL Express has served me well for quite some time. I can access it over the internet via a ODBC connection with Excel, and Power Query does some other bits and pieces. So we're going to move from that workflow to a more automated and future-proof uh, version of that workflow, which I may do a video on just to kind of put a bookend in this. But today we're just going to run through setting up PostgreSQL. So you want to go here, postgresql.org. We'll go to download. We're going to do it on Windows because honestly, you just probably want to get your work done. And Windows, you can just get your work done. You don't have to set up Docker or anything else weird, or Linux, and try and figure out all these little things that just get in your way. So we'll go with Windows first. We'll take 2015. Go to the verified version, and just we'll go with 16. And there we go. We've got it downloading. Once it's downloaded, get it going. It's about 400 megabytes. I think we will just turn that down. No, we won't. It's in my head. Okay, hit next. We're just going to leave it with default. It's going to be the easiest. Keep everything checked. You never know. Saves you coming back and trying to figure out what you missed the first time. Please select store your data. Okay, we won't leave that as default. We're going to put that here. We'll create a new one and we'll call it PG data. And we'll just leave it all lowercase. I found that's easiest. Password. If this is going to be local, so you really don't want to make it very hard at all. So let's just make it really simple. Simple as you like. I'll let you guess that one. We'll just make a note of that. So the port is 5432. Default locale, so we obviously want to choose English. I'm just going to go with United States because that's what my computer is in, so it likes to say Z rather than S. Like, for instance, the word summarize, it'll spell it with a Z rather than an S. And that's just my computer's locale because it keeps all of the American software that I use happy. That's just going to be a summary of your installation. We'll just let it install. I'll just let that pause for now and I'll come back when it's at 100%. Okay, now it's just coming out. of its installation process. Let's wait for it to hurry up. So Stack Builder, maybe use download and install. Yeah. Okay. We're going for simplicity. This was install additional software. Again, select your stuff. Yep. Next. Database drivers. I think we're going to want that. Database server. Installed. Add-ons. I don't know what that is. Registration. We don't need that. Web development. We don't need any of that. So really we just want this ODBC driver. Packaged by enterprise or whatever. Alright. I think we need to go clean that up afterwards because I think I downloaded it to somewhere it shouldn't be. Alright. Yep. This is going to be our remote access solution, I believe. We'll find out. Alright. Okay, so we should have something called pgadmin, and we do. This is going to be our management window, which is going to be our replacement here for SSMS, which is the SQL Server Management Studio for SQL Express. You can see here I already have some data. We're going to move all of this kind of processing over to Postgres. Alright, so I think what we'll do is we'll leave the video right here and we'll come back and we'll start to build new servers and configure everything and figure things out from there. Alright, that's all for tonight.